Strawberry no other straw.
The force between the charged object is an electric force. The size of electric force depends on two things. First, the amount of charge. Second, the distance between charges. It's not magic when the balloon has enough static electricity and it is brought and is brought near the mix of salt and pepper. Negative charge on the balloon attract to the positive charge on the wall. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Soni. This is the model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is method involves collecting rainwater from surfaces on which rain falls and storing their water water goes into the tank for storage. Water gets stored in the tank. This water can be used in many ways in the house. Good morning. My name is Brahmanisha. Rainwater harvesting challenges are regular maintenance requires some technical skills for installation. Limited enough rainfall limits the supply of rainwater. If not installed correctly, it may attract mosquitoes and other waterborne diseases. Good morning, my name is Sarvati. You see a plant instead I can go to filter and can go soil and go other plant. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Zaraman. This is setup of magnetic compass. To find direction, we can use a special instrument called a compass. We can find direction of Qibla with this compass whenever we are outside of our home. When the compass is in the correct position, the needle always points toward the north. My name is Zainab Gandhi. The simplest compass is magnetized metal needle mounting in such a way it can spin freely. So if we are facing the direction of the needle, then we are facing the north. The south is at our back, east at our right, and west at our left. My name is Insa Shaki. The advantages of magnetic compass are clearly indicates the direction. In the worst case, when we are without power, the magnetic compass helps us. It allows us to detect and evaluate the intensity and direction of the current near the coast. Minimum energy consumption. Independence of the satellite signal provided. Thank you.
जानवरों ने पैदा किया જેનાથી તમને ઇબાદત છે ફાયદા છે અને એનાથી જમન છે Kerala gather from which you get benefit protection and food to eat. A very beautiful good morning everyone. We heartily welcome you in this science of work. We are here to explain you about biogas. Biogas is a facility that provides oxygen-free conditions where anaerobic digestion can occur. We simply put it in artificial system where we can turn waste into sustainable energy and fertilizer with positive effect on the environment.
Advantage of biogases. It can contain impurities, it is eco-friendly to our nature, it is sustainable energy resource and then utilizing our waste. Simply આ એવી ચીજ છે જો ગાયના ગોબર से બની છે. આનામાં જ્યારે વોટર મિક્સ કરીએ છીએ તો ગાયનું ગોબર से એક ગેસ થાય છે પ્રોડ્યુસ અને એક ત્યારના કેમિકલ છે जो છે કેલ્શિયમ કાર્બાઇડ CaC2 जो વોટર से रिएक्ट કરીને એક ગેસ પ્રોડ્યુસ કરે છે તો જ્યારે ગોબર ગેસ और કેમિકલ ગેસ रिएक्ट થાય તો એક ફાયરનો ફોર્મ કરે છે.
Now I can explain you working of biogas. Working of biogas is biomass is mixed with water and then is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria into the product like gases, methane, hydrogen and carbon dioxide and the other side product manure and fertilizer. Biogas is produced by decomposition of organic matter. Biogas is mainly produced of methane. It burns with negligible smoke and leaves no inside. Facts about biogas. Biogas is a mixture of production by microorganisms. It is renewable source of energy. Now I am going to explain you about biogas power generation. Manure and dung are also fed into the biogas plant. In the fermenter heated approx 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, the substrate is decomposed by microorganisms under exclusion of light and oxygen. The final product of this fermentation process is biogas with methane as the main ingredient. This is called biogas power generation.
Biogas plants are reliable source of disadvantages. They enable heating, cooking, as well as generating electricity and power generation and thermal energy application in our country. Methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide are the main gas that make up biogas. It is a reliable source of energy.
खुदा ताला है जिस यानी ब्रिज में जिक्र कुरान मजीद में बे जगह में फरमाई है पहलुसु के बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम हमने सिरातल मुस्तकीम की हिदायत दी સિરાતે મુસ્તકીમ કેવું જસરે છે કે બાલ કરતા બારીક અને તલવારની ધાર કરતા તેજ. સિરાતે મુસ્તકીમ દુનિયા અને આખિરતમાં સગલા કરતા પહેલું અને દાણી રખનાર જિસ્ર છે. તે જિસ્ર સી ખુદાના દુનિયાના લોકોએ તરા તરાના જિસ્ર બનાવ્યા છે અને આજ આપણે ઘણા તરાના જિસ્ર જોવા મળે છે.
बीजी जिक्र कहाँ फरमावे છે खुदा कि बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वसखर लकुम अलफुल्क लितजरिया फिल बहरि बिअमरिह वसखर लकुम अलअनहार. એને કહેવા શું છે કે અને અમે તમારા વાસ્તે ફુલ્કને મુસખ્ખર કીધા છે, ઇઝી ટુ યુઝ કીધા છે તાકી તમે એને દરિયામાં ચલાવો, અને અમે અનહારને બી તમારા વાસ્તે મુસખ્ખર કરી દીધા છે. તો હવે ખુદાએ દરિયા અને અનહારને તો મુસખ્ખર કરી દીધા છે, સાથે સાથ ફુલ્કને બી મુસખ્ખર કરી દીધા છે. તો હવે આપણા પર લાજિમ છે કે આપણે જિસ્ર બનાવીએ તાકી દુનિયાના લોકો નહારના એક સાઈડથી બીજા સાઈડ જાય અને એના વાસ્તે સહુલિયતી થાય. બાવીના ઉપર જે જિસ્ર બનાવવામાં આવે છે એનું એક નજરાનું આપના સામે પેશ કરીએ છીએ.
The hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge is also known as moving bridge. It is used to allow seaside traffic through a body of water.
There are so many types of bridge like basket bridge, little bridge and swing bridge.
Hydraulic bridge was firstly invented in 14th century by Joseph Brown. Then after, it was designed and built in 15th century by Leonardo. It works on a simple principle known as Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that if we apply pressure on any one point of an enclosed liquid container, it will transmit equally in all the directions. In India, it was firstly located in Tamil Nadu. It was known as Pamban Bridge. It was the largest sea bridge of India and it was a railway bridge. Like this, the bridge divides in two parts and the shape will pass through the center. Thank you.
Because it reflects the quantity of something per unit volume unit. The quantity of something per unit volume unit is the mass of substance per unit volume. Density expressed in gram per cubic centimeter. How motor cap is screw, so the cap will float and screw will sink. How does water density is the weight of a for a specific volume. The density of water is roughly 1 gram per milliliter. Hello everyone. I am Ajumana. I am here to explain my science project. It is a water cycle. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes. Liquid totally operating through the water vapor, condenses to from cloud and precipitate back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Water definition. The water cycle is the process of water moving around between the air and land or in the scientific terms. The water cycle is the process of water moving around, evaporating and condensation on the planet on the earth in the continuous process. And load is a container cycle where imports travel into the air and compartment. Fell down or just morning everyone. We are showing our science project magnetic slide.
Is a self-healing soft robot made of polyvinyl alcohol, borax and radium magnet particles. It was co-created by Professor Li Zhang of Chinese University, Hong Kong.
It is a non-Newtonian fluid that behaves like a liquid or solid depending on force having viscoelastic properties. The robot is double by and could be double as inside the human body to perform tasks that are demanding object out of it.
Contrary to its name, it currently does not have in it and is only controlled by magnet. It can reach a speed of 30 mm per second.
Good morning. We explain what is crystals. This is the model of crystals. This is crystals. My name is Zahra Tarman. My name is Sakina Manawar. My name is Jamila Bhauti. My name is Alifia Singh. Crystallization can be defined as the solidification of a liquid substance into a highly structured solid. And खुदा ताला से इन कुरान मजीद इन आयतों में बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम असबाह फी जुजाजा मज़बाह में मतलब सु रोशनी यानी जुजाजा मतलब सु इकाज यंजल table salt, also known as sodium chloride, is a crystal. Salt crystals are cubic, clear crystal that you can grow from any type of edible salt. The key to successful growing is controlling temperature and humidity. Sugar crystals are known as rock candy because crystallized across marvelous rock crystals. You can grow clear, beautiful crystals with sugar and water, or you can add food coloring to get colored crystals. Now I explain how to grow crystals. First, gather your materials, then tie those into a pencil. Next, boil the water. After that, stir in a sugar or teaspoonful at a time. Then keep adding sugar until it starts to dissolve and like solution. Then good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Today we are sharing our science project. Its name is Oblate. Oblate is a suspension or a substance that can mimic the qualities of a solid or a liquid. Can you touch oblate? A quick tap on the surface of oblate will make it feel hard because it forces constant particles together. Dip your hands slowly into the mix and see what happens. Your fingers slide as easy as through water. The oblate mixture isn't your typical liquid or the solid. Cornstarch and water mixture create a fluid that acts more like quicksand than water. Applying forces, squeezing or tapping it causes it to become thicker. Can the wing oblate is technically edible, but we don't want it. It's safe for children or ages to play with and is very intelligent to lower slime making. If your children love playing with oblate, they might also really enjoy squishing or homemade play doh. Thank you. Thank you. I am showing science project at narrator. Turmeric is a yellow color natural indicator. Its color remains the same when in acid solution and shown red in basic solution. Vinegar is red. Acid salt of the color solution does not change. When you add turmeric into a basic solution, detergent, water, lemon juice, it changes to a deep red color. Bottom left of photo. This red color can be changed back to yellow. When you add an acid back into the solution, lemon juice, vinegar. Turmeric is a yellow color natural indicator. Its color remains the same in acid solution and turn red in base solution and turn red in basic solution. When you add turmeric into a basic solution, detergent water, it adds to a deep red color, bottom left of photo. This red color can be changed back to yellow. Add back to solution, lemon juice, vinegar. Thank you.
Good morning, welcome to our little Zonko's joke show. Today we are going to share about soap and paper soap. Myself Radhika.
And myself Alifa Rizvi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna Allah yuhibbun nazafata wa baysal abdul qazuratun. તહેકીક ખુદા તાલા ઇજાફતને પસંદ કરે છે અને वो બંદોગોનો બાદ છે જેમાં સીધું આવે છે જેના અખલાક બચ છે. So in this project we are going to share you about some soap recipes which prevent your skin from harmful chemicals. Salwa, can you share what is glycerin soap base?
Yes. To make different kind of soap, we need a glycerin soap base. We get glycerin soap base in market easily or you can make it at your home. To make glycerin soap base, we need a glycerin, coconut oil, caustic soda and vitamin capsule. First, take these all ingredients and mix it in approximate amount and cook this for 5 to 10 minutes. And set it in a container for 4 hours. Your soap base is ready. Mariam, can you tell me how can we make different kind of soap with the help of glycerin soap base?
For using soap base, we can make different type of soap according to your skin. Like potato soap. For potato soap, you just need add potato, milk and aloe vera gel into the soap base. It is 100% natural and help to remove toxic dark spot for your skin. Like potato, you can make saffron soap to add milk and saffron mixture in soap base. Leave it set. Your saffron soap is ready. It gives your natural beauty to your skin and make your skin soft and glowing.
You can make a paper soap at home easily. For paper soap, we need butter paper, liquid hand wash and shampoo. Open the paper, spread the liquid on both sides and leave it to dry. So dip the paper and wear your paper soap as you want.
Please try. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are students of class 4. Our project is finding science. It is a science-based project. In this project, we have used baking soda, sugar, ethanol, and sand. Over to you, Husaina. In this project, we are used to scrub sugar. And do you know what is the chemical name of sugar? So, chemical name of sugar is sucrose. It contains lots of carbon. Its formula is C12H2O11. One more interesting fact about sugar: when you explode the sugar in open flame, it will burn and react with oxygen in the air. It is called combustion reaction. Can you tell me the chemical name of baking soda? The chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate and formula is NaCO3. Ashila, can you explain it what is happening in this project? When you set ethanol on fire, the sugar and baking soda mixture also started to burn. As it burned, it created gas bubbles that got trapped, resulting the black snake structure. The rose of the flame, the snake grows slowly. Application of this project are science exhibition and firecrackers. Thank you.
કેમિસ્ટ્રી એક કારીગરી છે જેના પર મૌલાની રહેમતી નજર છે. So we will prepare 3 experiments for you. First is green fire, second is elephant toothpaste, and third is gunpowder. So I think you all have been familiar with fire. Normally, what is the color of fire? Yellow, red and blue. So today I am going to show you green fire. For this I am taking this beaker. In this beaker there is 50 ml of ethanol. After this I am adding little bit of boric acid. After this I am adding few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid.
HCl.
No, H2SO4.
H2SO.
After this, I am putting fire in it. As you can see, the color of fire is green. Now, you all have been thinking that what is going on here. So, boric acid is a complex ester. What ester means? What ester means? The form by combining alcohol and acid turn off boric acid into green flame. You all have been noticed in Muharram al-Haram our mosque is covered and decorated by green color. Why it is so? Because green color is a sense of emotions and refresh our mind. And green color is a sign of calmness and renewal. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Halikashri. I am going to prepare element toothpaste. It's just a fun experiment. So here I am taking hydrogen peroxide. It's a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Second, I am adding a little squish of liquid dish soap. The reaction after combining all these elements is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic means reaction which releases heat. Now I am adding potassium iodide. Potassium iodide here is used as catalyst. Catalyst is a substance which is used to increase the rate of the reaction. The foam you are seeing here is made up of very tiny oxygen bubbles.
Good afternoon, our chief guest Janab and all my dear students. Our project is volcano. First, we know about what nutrition reaction of volcano. Vinegar is an acid and bicarbonate of soda is an alkali. The reaction releases carbon dioxide, which is bubbles you see. If you add washing up liquid, bubbles up, giving the appearance of lava erupting from a volcano.
स्टेट बस्टर बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम कुरान मजीद में वो प्रोजेक्ट अर्द अस्काला कुरान मजीद में सूरतुल इंसान में बयान है when the anger inside our body we do meditation most anger with job pressure and study pressure we angry on anyone like study and when angry on like volcano we do meditation for straight buster but better than try on a cowsand.
Negative effects of volcano. After volcano eruption can result in additional threats to health like infection disease, respiratory illness, burns, injuries and vehicle accidents, plus drinking water, contamination and wildfires.
Positive effect of volcano. First, act as fertilizer for soil. Second, geothermal energy used to generate electricity. Thank you. Welcome to PHS Sound Conjunction. In this magical world of science, we make mechanical power bank. With the help of this device, we can charge our mobile phone in the case when we don't have electricity in our home. Now, how we make this? There is a gearbox and we will take a motor. After it, we connect the motor to gearbox. Now, when we rotate the gearbox, it will rotate the motor very fast and motor will generate 5 volt electricity and we store this 5 volt electricity into lithium iron battery. And with the help of this USB, we can charge our mobile phone. and we can also run the fan.
It works on principle of electromagnetic force. Now, what is electromagnetic force?
Electromagnetism is a branch of physics that deal with electromagnetic force that occur between electrically charged particles.
The electromagnetic force is the one of the four fundamental forces that exhibits electromagnetic force, such as magnetic force, electric force, and light.
It is very easy to make this product at a very cheap price.
Thank you.
From our PHS school. Today we are here to tell about fire extinguisher. We took a plastic bottle and wrapped it with red tape and filled it with acetic acid on the cap. We fixed a saline to maintain pressure. And then a small pouch of sodium bicarbonate and compound the acetic acid in such a manner that the acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate should not touch each other. Now I will tell you working on fire extinguisher. When the top of the fire extinguisher is pressed, the acetic acid mixes with the sodium hydrogen carbonate solution to produce carbon dioxide gas which form a blanket around the burning substance and cut off supply of air to the burning substance. This will stop the burning in fire extinguisher. Now Nafisa will tell you fire extinguisher uses. Fire extinguisher apply an against that means cool burning unit is either fuel or remove oxygen. So the fire extinguisher is quickly control a small fire if we can apply an individual properly trained. Fire extinguisher is located from any building circle. Now Asya, you can tell principle of fire extinguisher. Principle of fire extinguisher is modern. It involves the removal of oxygen and decreasing presence of oxygen in cooling. It is a process of reducing heat or removal of heat. Fire extinguisher are devised with carbon dioxide is present in different forms for use as the extinguishing agent. It is a modern type of fire extinguisher which liquid carbon dioxide is stored in a stick cylinder under pressure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Use the regular hours to pray for making our high structural breeds. The sword will bear the high structural breeds. So the high trees stick together. Myself with the meditation. Take ice tray, fill with water, then dip cotton in it. Now wait for 2 hours. Now with hammer, break the normal ice. You can see the normal ice break easily. Now break ice cotton cubes. It will not break easily. Myself a winner in Mata. Take a piece of a string and some ice cubes. Now place the string on ice cubes and pour some salt on it and wait for 2 minutes. Now pull the string and see the ice is stick on it. Leave these large block of ice, sprinkle some salt from one ice cube. Now wait for salt to melt. Now you may see channels made by salt. Now use liquid watercolors to paint on the top of the ice and into the salt channels. Thank you.
Now the next in the magical word of science is the shrinking shack. Let's have a look in the shrinking shack. Now let's explore what is there in shrinking shack.
الداعي لجل سيدنا अली कदर उकदर सैफुद्दीन तवल्ला शरीफ अविया कुरान का जिक्र करता हुआ खास कदर आदम मौलाया आदम ने जिक्र
કરતા હુઆ ફરમાવે છે કે આપની તફાદીની જિકર કરતા હુઆ ફરમાવે છે કે મોલાયા આદમ પર આદમ કુરબાન છે.
Introduction of blood. Blood is the primary transport that is responsible for continuously supplying nutrition or oxygen to the active cells in the body. The three active cells are transportation, regulation and protection.
What is blood? Blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells treated in a liquid called plasma. We can identify our bloods by the antigens and the antibodies present in our blood. Antigen and antibodies present on a surface of red blood cells. There are four main blood groups: A, B, AB, O. We can determine our blood by the genes we inherited from our parents. Each blood is Rhd positive and Rhd negative. So in total there are 8 blood groups.
Explain the process whatever is happening.
First we take the swab and clean the ring finger of left hand. Then we take needle pinch in the ring finger and then we take
Explain
and
why
then
you do this.
take 3 drops on the glass slides. Then we add antibody A on the first drop of blood. Then antibody B on the second one. And then last D antibody. With the corners of the glass slide.
Explain from the chart.
We can see here that the reaction takes place in B and in D. So the blood group is B positive because this blood contains antigen B and Rhd antigen. So it reacts with the antibody B and Rhd antibody. There is no antigen A is present in this blood, so no reaction takes place.
This is the hologram.
How to create a hologram? First we will use some cardboard. Then we put a tablet to reflection and put a plain mirror to reflect the light of tablet. Daily life uses of hologram. By using a hologram image, doctor can improve the quality of medical education and research. In industry application, hologram can make learning and teaching much easier, especially now since we have embraced the idea of hybrid learning. Hologram can make learning and teaching much easier, especially now since we have control in manufacturing. Thank you.
You know what is the principle of hologram? Hologram works on principle of reflection. When you know we use glass, or you all know the glass reflects light. When we put mobile onto the hologram, the glass reflects light in any way. It will be visible, 3D or good. Thank you.
Hi, my name welcome to in the science world in my project working model of washing machine. Do you know works on the principle of centripetal force and centrifugal force. Now, what is centripetal force? To maintain the motion of a particle in a circular path, a force is required towards the center. Force is known as centripetal force. And at the same time, a force is required to pull the cloth towards the boundaries of the washing machine container. There is also a force required, which is known as centrifugal force. Now, centrifugal force is the opposite of centripetal force. Sometimes you may notice in the washing machine that the cloth comes together in the center and then goes outside towards the container. This no force occurred there. Now, this is what the science says. Now, we want to know what the theme says. What the theme says?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि फरमाते છે કે અન-નઝાફતુ મિનલ ઈમાન अपना ઈમાનની નઝાફત રાખો અગર अपना ઈમાનની નઝાફત રાખો ખબર તમે તમારા જિસ્મ અને તમારા જાનની નઝાફત રાખો જો અગર તમારું જાન સાફ હશે તો તમે તમારા હર કામમાંથી તમે ચોખ્ખા રહેશો તો તમારા વિશે મને કોઈ કહેશે કે આપણી નમાઝની ચાવી શું છે નમાઝની ચાવી તહારત છે.
Washing machine is used to wash our clothes, and washing clothes is also a medicine to cure our sadness and our bad mood. As jism taharat is first for jaan taharat. If you are clean, your clothes are clean, then your vibe will also be positive, which may attract you towards khair.
Now, we want you to address how this washing machine works. So, say to spell the cycle. We'll put our clothes in the container of this baskets. This model is made by us where we join the two baskets with the rod which is attached with the cycle. Wait. Now, if you want to dry the clothes, you can took out the water and the washing machine will become the dryer.
Wash clothes at your belonging places. If you wear rida, kurta, saya, then you will be attracted towards majlis. And then you will be wear dirty clothes, then you will be attracted towards नापाकीज़गी के जे अपने गुनाहों की तरफ ले जाए છે. Thank you, parents, to come in the science, a magical world of science, and give your precious time in this project. I hope we did not miss the chance to impress you. Thank you.
As we have many uses and many profits of using this washing machine, as it saves the electricity, it used to do exercise, it washes the clothes in less water, and the remaining water can be taken out from the tap.
Picture of this art and our project is the street light motion sensor. Heather, explain what is a street light motion sensor?
Yes, sir. It is a motion sensor, street light control system that automatically activated when a car receives in the area of the sensor. The sensor will, if there is no activity in the area, the light will be minimum adjust to the light level.
Whenever the car passes by the sensor detects the motion and switch on the light automatically. There's many uses of this IR sensor. Fatima, explain what is IR sensor? Infrared light, IR, is based on the principle of optics. An IR proximity sensor works by applying the voltage to a pair of IR light emitting diodes, LED, which in turn emits infrared light. This light propagates through the air, and once it hits the object, it is reflected towards the sensor.
નેચરલ રિસોર્સેસના ઇસ્તેમાલ વાસ્તે તોજીલ લીધી છે જેમાં કન્ઝર્વેશન વાસ્તે રુઝાન હોય છે. પુરાની ફાઉન્ડેશન છે દુનિયામાં ઘણા પ્રોજેક્ટ અંજામ દીધા છે. આપણા ગામમાં બી એક પ્રોજેક્ટ જારી છે.
You see this project
Observe the sensors detect the motion and switch on the light at that area. See this area? There's many uses of this project. It is used for security system and vehicle is traveling in the night time. Then they prevent the vehicle from accident and save the electricity main purpose. Thank you for coming our project. Hopefully you enjoy our project.
When air passes over it, the air also warms up, hence we get warming. Now I will explain you how we made this room heater. To make room heater, we have taken a fan, a DC motor to rotate this fan, a rod which is made up of nichrome wire. Why we use nichrome wire? It is because its melting point is very high, 350 or 400 centigrade. The benefit of room heater is the heater is easy to control and it is portable in size. So we can carry it everywhere. In market, room heater is very costly, but we make it at very low price at home very easily.
Now I explain you what is uses of room heater in our daily life. We use room heater in our daily life. It gives us warm air, so it is very useful for us in winter. We fit it to a wall or keep it in any small place in our house.
एक बयान में फरमावे छे आफ्ताब से हर चीज की हयात छे आफ्ताब यानी गर्म से हर चीज की हयात छे hot things have life while cold things other day of life a person should always work with a warm body in front of mother. Thank you.
Our project is about hemodialysis. Hemodialysis stands for two words, hemo and dialysis. Hemo means blood and dialysis means filtration. It means the filtration of blood. Whenever our kidney stops working due to the high percentage of nitrogenous waste in deoxygenated blood, it is a treatment to remove waste and water from our body. It also improves well-being, reduces symptoms, less crampings and headaches. Let me explain you about this process. A needle is connected to our arms, connected to the heart that pumps the blood to the dialyzer, which contains a semi-permeable blood that filters the blood and separates fresh water and urine. Our body contains two types of blood, which are oxygenated and deoxygenated. The oxygenated blood flows through artery and it contains oxygen and minerals in it. The deoxygenated blood flows through veins and it contains carbon dioxide and waste materials in it.
Let me tell you about this inventor. William John Cole is the inventor of hemodialysis, born in 1914. He was popularly known as the father of artificial organs. He was belonging to old Dutch family. Did you know how did he got an idea to developing this machine? Let me tell you. He got the idea to developing this machine by seeing many patients suffering from kidney failure in Second World War 1945.
Sometimes a person's kidney stone or pregnancy or infection from being failure in the blood leads to urea and other waste products to build up in the blood. That's why hemodialysis machines use it in a life. Let's make our life easy and comfortable. Thank you. Good morning, sir and ma'am. Our project is a projector. A projector is an optical device that projects a figure or picture onto a surface. It is an alternative television or monitor in the larger field. Okay, so can you explain me working with projector? Yes, a projector is an optical gadget that projects a picture into a surface. A digital retinal display or retinal projector that projects a photograph at once and the retina and the substitute of using a color projection screen. The use of projector in classroom topic describing at home as a theater. We can use it in company, phone, meeting and presentation. First, we on the torch and the rest of torch will go in the transparent sheet. The transparent sheet is left in the measurement glass and shown on the wall.
You started the torch. You have a slide. Okay. We will see the image on the wall. Very good. Okay. You are changing. Let me show. You are changing the slides, and the image is reflecting on the wall.
You change the image.
Change the image. Yes, nice.
So this is our Quidditch round. We're ready to go. Welcome to our Quidditch ground. These are who are going to create magic using the metal board, which is working board. Whenever the answer is right, the LED and buzzer buzzes. And here our little creators are getting ready. This is our little drone on. Can you just play a little bit? It's going to work. See, and this is our vending machine. Put a coin and a Kit Kat will be out. And this is our telescope. Here comes the game. Whoever wins gets something. And the last is our JCB. It's a working JCB. Can you make it work a little bit? Yo, it's working, it's working. And here are Harry Potters are flying in the Quidditch ground. So, who all did this? With the help of the students, our teachers help them. Ready, teachers? All are ready in our Quidditch ground. This is our first project, metal detector.
Good morning, ma'am. This is our project metal detector. When we bring metal object close to the depth of the metal and the electrical puzzle will start puzzling. A device that detects the presence of hidden metal such as gun, bomb, weapons, etc. If we examine it and we have metal detector work, metal detector work by transmitting an electromagnetic field from such point into the ground. Any metal object target within the electromagnetic field will become energized and retransmit an electromagnetic field of their own. Jamila, aren't you listening? Metal detector is used in shopping malls, cinema halls, airport, in public places, etc. to ensure that people don't carry any illegal things such as guns, bombs, weapons, etc. What about our digital? Don't worry, I am prepared. I am the details in declaration so that we can use the metal to detect their existence. Diameter to detect them to understand who are right and who are wrong. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Our team name is Quidditch Ground and our project name is Opposite Quiz Board. If it is right, so the buzzer will take sound. And if it is wrong, so the buzzer will not take out sound. Dear Mr. Devi wire connected check. Devi wire is connected check. बराबर सी कनेक्टेड નથી તો પોઝિટિવ એ વિશે हमारा दिल में मौला की मोहब्बत होनी चाहिए अगर हमारा दिल में जितनी मौला की मोहब्बत નથી जितना रोजा करे जितना कुरान पढ़े जितनी नमाज पढ़े मगर ये सगलू जाहिर થઈ જશે એનાથી हमारा दिल में सैयद अब्दाल सैयद अली कदम मुक़द्दस सैफुद्दीन अल्लाह बशीर ये हमारा दिल में होना चाहिए is a circuit. A circuit is a device made of other smaller electrical devices that can move the flow of electricity through itself to power larger devices. Every complete circuit must have a power supply. Power supply could be the mains or it could be the battery. Now Murad and Nafuda will continue. For a circuit to be completed, there must be wire connected to both the positive and negative ends of the power supply. A simple circuit made from a battery, a bulb and wire. Now let's check. This circuit include a series of electrical lots, but has only one part in which the electricity can flow, and the what is needed for a complete circuit? There is a power supply battery. There are no gaps anywhere, so the electrical current can flow around the entire circuit. The wires connect to both the positive and negative ends of the battery. Thank you. Good morning. This is our project JCB. So the JCB word for particle logic was states that when a pressure is applied at one point of it contains constant volume. Then the pressure is applied at a point and transmitted to all the points of the tube. So earlier we'll explain more about JCB. JCB is a type of construction machine with a hydraulically operated shown over the front end which is yes. JCB machines are used in industrial applications, also help in constructional purposes. It may be fitted to top of the floor and is used to lift the heavy load from one location to another location in industries. Yes, there are so many types of things like ultra sugar cane model and those. Ultra sugar cane model is a perfect for a our science project is winding machine. Taha and Mufaddal will show you. The winding machine works. Put the coin here, push the button, and see the magic. A vending machine is an automatic machine that provides items such as stamps, meat, chocolate, and beverages to customers after credit card or other form of payment are inserted into a machine otherwise made. The fast modern vending machines were developed in England in the early 1880s and expensive postcard. Abdullah will explain second part of the video. Vending machine is used in many countries and in more research, especially vending machines that provide less common products. Vending machine items have been created. Thank you.
Show me the working, Taha.
Put the coin, push the button.
Chocolate will come out.
Come out. Now chocolate will come out. Respected parents, our project is telescope. We use two PVC pipe and two objective and eye. Objective is Reflection of the light is the phenomenon of bending of light as it goes from one medium to another. It is caused by the change in speed as it flows one medium to another. Now I will show you the result of telescope. The telescope devices to magnify images of different objects. The telescope is undoubtedly the most important investigative instrument. It provides a means of collecting and analyzing the radiation from the celestial objects, even those in the far reaches of the universe. The telescope also helps us to understand the gravity and other fundamental laws of the physical world. Telescope also helps us to understand the light which radiates from the sun and other stars. Thank you. The reflection of the light is a closed path electricity that flows. In this project, we have used battery, oil-filled, galvanized wires, and buzzers. This is the project is when the crystals touch the metal outside the game for the buzzer. Electricity. It is the flow of electricity, power or charge. Application of this project is gaming. You want to play the game? You have to pass through this point without touching. And when you touch this galvanized wire, the buzzer will.
So this is our Quidditch ground. These are the Harry Potter flying around.
Good morning. Here I am stand for some information about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. It has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. A Martian year is equal to 687 Earth days.
Earth station. Mars requires less energy per unit mass to reach from Earth than any other planet except Venus using a human orbit. We can't reach to Venus because it's near to Sun, and a human on Venus will die only in 60 seconds.
My topic is SpaceX. SpaceX is an American spacecraft manufacturer, launcher, and satellite communication corporation. It is founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. SpaceX Mars program is a set of projects through with the aerospace company. SpaceX hopes to facilitate the colonization of Mars. The company claims that this is necessary for the long-term survival of the human species.
Good morning. My topic is condition for human habitation. Let's discuss with what conditions we have to survive on Mars. Conditions on the surface of Mars are closer to the condition on the surface of Earth in terms of temperature and sunlight. The surface is not hospitable to humans and most known life forms due to radiation, gravity, reduced air pressure, and an atmosphere with only 0.16% oxygen.
Now we discuss about climate on Mars. Mars has a surface gravity 0.38 times that of the Earth, and the density of its atmosphere is 0.6%. And the relatively strong gravity is present in aerodynamic effect. It makes it difficult to land again.
Good morning. My topic is to make a concept vehicle of Mars rover. So I made this. This is my self-designed Mars rover. Mars rover is a motor vehicle that is designed to travel on the surface of the Mars. Mars rover can place its projection towards sunny areas in the months of winter. Mars rover has an inbuilt camera that take structure of Mars and send it to Earth. Mars rover has inbuilt arms that take sample of the dirt and research about it. Mars rover electrical power comes from nuclear reactors and solar panels. Mars rover main use is to find out the advantages and disadvantages of Mars.
Now we talk about Mars Transit Vehicle. The deep space transport is called Mars Transit Vehicle. The interplanetary spacecraft conceived by NASA to support science exploration of Mars up to 1,000 days. It would be composed of two elements, an Orion capsule and propelled habitation module. Thank you.
Now we have possible location for settlement on Mars. Chaos. Chaos would naturally provide a degree of insulation from Martian hazards for humans on the planet. These hazards have radiation impactor events and in wide-ranging temperature on the surface. Do you know Mars Odyssey found what appears to be natural chaos near the volcano Arshakun? It has been speculated that settlers could benefit from the shelter. Settlers could benefit from the shelter, and the similar structure could provide radiation and micrometeoroids. Geothermal energy is also suspected in the equatorial region. Lava tubes.
Mars colonization timeline. In 2010, the Mars hype is there. In 2016, Elon Musk revealed SpaceX first design for a rocket called Star. European Space Agency (ESA) and Roscosmos' extraterrestrial gas orbital enters Mars orbit, but Schiaparelli landers crashes on the surface of Mars. In 2018, NASA Insight lander land on Mars at Elysium Planitia. In 2019, the first test hop of SpaceX Starship test vehicle Starhopper at Botanica in Texas.
The world enters in a Mars. Indian Mongolians enters in a Mars. Indian Mongolian enters. Japanese Martian moons explore and collect some samples and return them to Earth in 2029. A communication between Earth and Mars. 2029. A satellite relay placed in Earth. હવે अपन જ્યારે मार्स पर જઈશું वारे वहाँ पर अपने 3 चीज़ની ज़रूरत है. वहाँ पर ग्रेविटी नहीं रहे, वहाँ पर पानी नहीं रहे, वहाँ पे अपने प्लांट्स उगाव પડશે. तो अपन वहाँ पे ठंडू भी बहुत है, तो अपन केओसમાં જઈશું ताकि अपने वहाँ पर थोड़ा गर्म है. फिर अपन हमेशा कई जगह पे जाने लिए अपन टनल्स बनाईશું. फिर झाड़ कई प्लांट्स ग्रो करवाना लिए अपन डोम बनाईશું. डोम्स बना अपन केव्स वगैरह में पानी वाटर फाइंड करीશું. थैंक यू.
Several space agencies joined NASA. First fully occupied Starship with 50 scientists, workers, colonists land at Mars. Potential users of in-orbit refueling and storage facilities include defense minister or other commercial companies. Thank you.
Good morning. In the minimum size of colony in Mars, first let's discuss about ecosystem management. In ecosystem management, we have to control air composition pressure and temperature. The main things which human need in Mars is water and food. So we have one way to produce water and food on Mars is through the use of closed loop life system. Second, industry, manufacturing tools and other objects, producing clothes, medicine, ceramics, glasses, plastics through a combination of 3D printing and robotic manufacturing. Thank you.
About the medical health of human in Mars. There are many physical challenges for human in mission to Mars. There are health threats from cosmic rays and other ionizing radiation. The ionizing radiation is a form of energy that acts by removing electrons from atoms and molecules. NASA scientists say that possible mission to Mars may involve great radiation risk based on genetic particle radiation measured by RAD on Mars Science Laboratory. There are lack of medical facilities, and the most important thing is while fuel for round-trip travel could be a challenge, methane or oxygen can be produced using Martian H2O. Thank you.
Here I'll share some interesting information about colonization on Mars. So we will start from timeline. In year 2040, there are only 200 people which are surviving as individuals for their colonists. In year 2041, the first school and luxury hotel are opened, and the pupil build different type of buildings and domes. Then in year 2042, a starship with 200 people are landed on Mars, and the total population of people on Mars is 600. Then in year 2043, on the Mars, several small proxy bases are established on Mars for scientific reason and other purposes. Then the next year is 2044. In this year, people mining deep lands, and they discover subrare material which are helpful for their colonization. Then in year 2045, a robotic water ice mining station are built on Mars, and the water are supplying all over the Mars where it's needed. And the last year but not the least is 2046. In this year, the two heaviest starship with 400 people and SpaceX founder Elon Musk are landed on Mars. Thank you.
2047. A transport is established between Mars-based Alpha and mining-based Beta for people transportation. Then the year 2048, a 100 people starship will land on Mars and they will work on spaceports and nuclear domes. Then the year 2049, a nuclear fusion power station is established on Mars to contact all starship which is landed on Mars. Then the year 2050, when bases go into Mars.
બિસ્મિલ્લાહિર્રહમાનિર્રહીમ. માર્સ, જેને લસાનુલ અરબીમાં મરીખ કહેવામાં આવે છે, મરીખ પાંચમા આસમાનમાં છે. એની તામીર બુરી છે. ઇમામ અહેમદુલ મસ્તૂર રસાઈ લિખવાનો સફામાં ફરમાવે છે, જે શખ્સ યા જે ફર્ઝનની તબિયત મરીખ હશે, એનો હાલ બદ હશે, બુરો હશે, એ હંમેશા ચોરી અને જમીનમાં ફસાદ કરવામાં મશગુલ રહેશે. ખુદા અને બે તારાઓ ઘણા મનહૂસ કહેવામાં આવે છે. એમાંથી એક તારા છે મરીખ અને બીજા છે ઝહલ. એમાંથી ઘણા તારાઓ ચમકીલા બી હોય છે, જેમાંથી એક તારા છે સૈયદ મુફદ્દલ સૈફુદ્દીન આકા. આપનું નૂર આપની પેશાનીમાં નજર આવે છે. ખુદા તાલા આપને આ નૂર દેખો નસીબ કરે અને આપની ઉમર શરીફને તારો સે કયામત દરાજ અને દરાજ બાકી રાખે. આમીન.
Good morning, ma'am. Our project is lemon and potato battery. We will tell you how it's made and how it's work. We will do some potato, lemon, zinc and copper strip insert in each of them. After it, we connect them by a electric wire and also connect with the LED bulb with it.
Working. Lemon contains citric acid and potato contains phosphoric acid. Zinc and copper work as electrodes and material inside. Potato and lemon work as electrolyte. Acid attack on zinc strip and zinc start losing electrons which goes to copper strip to wire. As a result, current flow from zinc to copper as it confirmed by glowing bulb. The potato battery is a type of electrochemical battery or cell contain metal zinc. In the demonstration below, it experience creation with electrical energy. The lemon battery are type of electromechanical battery. In the cell contains the matter of demonstration with inside the acid inside the electrochemical battery. These chemicals are checked small LEDs
system. Even you can use it for your children to make him or her happy or fun. How we made it?
We have taken a battery and vibrate motor and switch to on off. When we will switch on, it will vibrate.
Robotic can work on the principle of vibration. It may be a POD, such a motion of pendulum or random movement, such a tire on a movable body.
There are many uses of vibration in daily life, such as gearbox, drive train, motors, fans, guitar, music, etc.
أو هاربوك إلى النحل لتأخذ من الجبال بيوتا ومن الشجر مما يعرشون. खुदा ताला कुरान मजीद में फरमाया जिनके बदमाशी लोगों ऊंचाई में पनाह मांगे. We have our order to make honey which home is the height. Thank you.
This shoe is based on the electricity generator. This function the principle of the kinetic energy which convert into a kinetic energy which release in the form of electricity. That's we shown in this project. In this project we use DC motor and motor tire to rotate the motor, by which our electricity is produced and light start glowing.
Electric shoes are the type of shoes that generate electricity while we are walking, and we can use to power a small electrical device. रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फरमावे छे કે જૂતા એવા પહેરો કે એના તમારા દુશ્મનનો ચહેરો બી દેખાય. Thank you for precious time and Happy Republic Day.
Good morning. We are very excited. We work on a model of steam generator. पर तकनीकियों में तारीफ समाप्त दुखानी होगी. खुदा ताला कुरान मजीद में सूरत दुखान में फरमावे छे અને दुखानी माना steam. खुदा ताला said that the last day of your life steam come and spread everywhere. But there are many advantages of steam. For example, our model.
From inspiring this, we make model of a steam generator. For making this, first we take a pressure cooker and value copper pipe on the place of pressure regulator.
place in Quran Madi, then Salar and said, and then water generate electricity and make everyone happy. We make hydroelectric. First we take a bucket and roll in them and then step in them. And then we take second bucket and roll and make two holes in them and then push a rod and make turbine. We make turbine by using plastic bottles and DC motor. Then when we start tap, the water is flowing and the turbine is start moving. And then the turbine is moving, the electricity is generated.
It is captured to convert electricity. A turbine will convert energy into mechanical energy. Then a generator converted electric energy.
In ancient times, builders used rock and clay to build a dam. Nowadays, builders using concrete to build a dam. Man made artificial dams called reservoirs. Hydroelectric power advantages. First, renewable energy sustainable. Second, created jobs are new, clean and clean energy sources. Fourth, domestic power sources. Fifth, educational opportunity. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning to all. We made a flood detector alarm. Flood warning system help to reduce the damages and potential early direction in events in flood warning. Upon the receipt of flood warning, first individual immediate response activities designed to protect life and property.
This is the key objective of the flood warning system.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Ta'ala मजीद आवाज़ है आया तजरी नहीं की मौजिद का जवाब खुदा ताला जानवरों में कोई आपी से के कोई भी खतरा आवे छे तो जानवरों अपने आप में ये खतरा से सेव करे छे तो ह्यूमन से भी अपना आप में डेवलप करो छे અને કઈ ચીજો બનાવી છે જેનાથી ये अपना आप में सेव કરી શકે એમાંથી એક પ્રોજેક્ટ અમારો છે જેનાથી thousands of people ની જાન બચી શકે છે. Flood alarm is very easy to make at your home. We have to take a buzzer, battery and homemade switch. When water will hit the switch alarm, the light start in the city. In emergency situation, or we can save thousands of lives. This product are 99 rupees only. Thank
My name is Mohammed. My name is Shakir. My name is Nasim. Our project is about 5 senses. This is eye. I use my eyes to see. Example, we can see rainbow, sun, fire, telescope, torchlight, then colors, etc. This is ear. I use my ear to hear. Example, we can hear Mother, Quran, Mulana Bayan, etc. We can. This is Raj. This is a hat. I use my hand to touch.
अलीम मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। खुदा ताला कुरान मजीद का फरमाते हैं, अल्लाहु नूरुस समावाति वल अर्द मसलु नूरिही कमिश्कातिन फीहा मिस्बाहु अल मिस्बाहु फिज़्ज़ुजाजा। Allah is a nur of skies and land. His nur illustrated can be lantern which contains light bulb. The light bulb is inside the glass. The glass itself, it can be looked like a shining star.
Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. And if the bulb is connected to the fan regulator, the light intensity can be varied by controlling the firing angle of SCR. If the fan is also used as a light dimmer, both light dimmer and fan speed controller are basically the same. Otherwise, they are interchangeable. Except one with the light can be symbol are usually wired to the light and fan can be symbol are is wired to the fan. Alethea, do you know how many types of bulb regulator?
Yes, Ajay, I know.
Please tell me.
There are two main types of regulator, linear and switching. Both regulator systems are voltage regulator. Linear regulator operates with low efficiency and switching regulator operates with high efficiency. Some interesting facts about bulb regulator. World's longest lasting light bulb has been used for over a century. Inventing light did not start with addition.
The power supply unit of an electronic device converts incoming power into desired time. A voltage regulator is a component that ensures a steady constant voltage on operational condition is called voltage regulator.
Principle of voltage. The voltage regulator uses the principle of feedback control system. It relies upon negative feedback control laws. As you can see, a reference voltage signal provided to the computer circuit.
The connection implied in the circuit is where with the bulb, we can control the speed of bulb in the range of 5 to 99%. You can control the bulb regulator with the help of regulator.
Qiyamah ka din zameen hai na ghaan nahi nikal sakti. At the day of Qiyamah, land will exert its weight. There is no need to rush. What is meant for you will always arrive on time. Good morning. As you listen the ayat we relate to our modern life, we are trying to explain you that whenever we apply pressure on something, its effective results, either they are good or bad, will be given out. So, what is pressure? Pressure is an expression of force exerted on a surface by unit area. For example, sucking a drink through a straw.
Before I give you a demo, I want to tell you that this dispenser is handmade and also budget friendly. When you don't want to go with the expensive choice, you can make dispenser at home. Now I'll show you how it works. When we apply pressure on this cardboard, through which pressure applied on the dispenser, it will create vacuum, through which liquid come out.
So, what is dispenser? Dispenser is a machine or container designed so that it can get an item or thing and quantity of it. In 1911, two men, Halsey Willard and Luther House, invented dispenser. Here are some uses of dispenser. It is mainly used in coffee shops, restaurants, etc. It is mainly used for easy supply of drinks.
Our learning from this model is fast color. So what is fast color? A change in pressure in a rest of transmitted and immunized to all points of fluid. A change in pressure in an enclosed container is transmitted equally and immunized to all points of the container and except the container and wall. According to Pascal law, hydraulic lift, hydraulic breaker, hydraulic pump.
What is soft drink? Soft drink is a drink that usually contains water, a sweetener and artificial flavoring. A sweetener can be a sugar. Now I tell you some facts about soft drink. Soft drink are called as soft because they don't have any alcohol in them. The world favorite drink and first favorite drink in the world is Coca-Cola. The country who invented soft drink is England. Soft drinks are also called as tonic, soda pop, fizzy drinks, minerals, etc. Over 34 million gallons in the world and they are sold by 200 countries each year. Thank you.
अल्लाह ताला ने कुरान मजीद में फरमाया है सिबगतुल्लाह व मिन अहसन व मिन अल्लाह सिबगा Allah said a color on green of glass.
So this is our project electroplating. So let us know about what is electroplating. Electroplating is the process of putting a layer of any desired metal or another material by means of electricity is
know the process of electroplating. So the process of electroplating is first we take water and copper sample and mix them like that. Then we take two pins and two wires and attach them with pair of two. Then we take a coin and a copper rod and put in the beaker of mixture of copper sulfate and water and attach wire to the battery and wait for some time for the coin was plated on the copper was plated on coin.
You can see here the copper was plating on the coin.
Plated on coin. So let us know about what is history of electroplating.
The electroplating was invented by Italian chemist Luigi Valentino Brugnatelli in 1805. He did this by linking a wire between a dissolved gold solution and a battery, also known as voltaic pipe. A metal object was then connected to the wire, allowing the gold to become attached to it. Now we know what is the uses of electroplating.
The electroplating used in welding, and changing testers on metal. Heating techniques can be used on its own to create interesting testers on metal.
शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम खुदा ताला कुरान मजीद में फरमावे छे फइन्नहु लतानज़ीलु रब्बिल आलमीन नज़ला बिहि रूहुल अमीन अला कुल्लिका लितकुना मिनल मुनज़रीन बिलिसान अरबी मुबीन खुदा तालाए जिब्राइल ने खलील माफू અને जिब्राइल रसूलुल्लाह ने આપો અને રસૂલુલ્લાહ એ वो इल्म ટ્રાન્સફોર્મ કરીને મુમિનના દરમિયાન નશર કરો जिब्राइल પાસે જે ઇલ્મ હતું એ મુમિન ઝીલી ના પાતા Same our project based on it.
Good morning. We are presenting our project which is based on transformer. Let me show our project. Hussein. The coil is heating soon. Hussein can.
Here we
Explain what is transformer.
Here we use two types of transformer. First one is step up transformer and second one is step down transformer. In step up transformer, low voltage is converted into high voltage, and for high voltage we are using a heater coil. And in step down transformer, high voltage is converted into low voltage, and for low voltage we are using an street light as an LED bulb. And for making transformer we use two types of copper wire. One is 26 SWG and one is 30 SWG. Thank you.
Bringing people together under the same roof with some common interest. I'm sure each one of us loves science. Now, please explain what is
Let us to see very small things, otherwise could not be seen. A microscope uses so many lenses, similar to those in glass or a magnifying glass. It meant to look bigger. It is called magnifying glass. There are 5 uses of microscope. One is botanical field, biological field, applied investigation, educational field, medical field. Now, the reader describe only 2 uses of microscope.
Technical skill, laboratory, present things are all around the world. There are 5 types of microscope: simple microscope, compound microscope, electron microscope, scanning probe microscope. Now, Mr. Let's describe this is compound microscope. Compound microscope is used to view simple objects in fine excellent and document. This is the compound microscope.